Hi Taurus, this is Tulsa from Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs for the month of June 2021. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. For the month of June 2021. Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, wow, King of Cups, okay. Two of Pentacles, Six of Wands, the Death card, Knight of Pentacles. Taurus, what I see here is, in the past there was somebody who was not being able to make a decision. They weren't being able to decide whether they want to go ahead with this relationship, friendship, situationship, whatever it is that you call it. But now they realize that this is the kind of relationship that is the end game for a lot of people and for them as well. Now I feel this person could be a Scorpio person with the Death card over here, or also a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn person. I'm sensing some Leo also over here. But Scorpio is major because you've got the King and Queen of Cups. It's definitely a soulmate relationship, Taurus. And they've got this late realization that you're the one for them, Taurus. You know, they got a lot of offers when they were contemplating whether or not this relationship or situationship is something that they want. And it took them a while to realize that you guys are somebody who they really love, you know. Even if they were with 10 other people after they broke up with you or after you guys separated, you weren't talking, someone blocked the other person, but you were always a part of their thoughts, Taurus. They're coming back. But the thing is that they're looking for an opening. You know, they're looking for a chance to come and talk to you. But they're also worried about how you might respond to this. They're scared you might just push them away. They're getting a lot of sleepless nights, anxiety regarding the fact that you could be with somebody else, Taurus. And probably they've lost out on being with you. They truly see you as somebody who can't be missed. You know, they need to have you. You are their love. They're somebody who drives their soul, which is a very rare thing, Taurus. Okay. Communicate clearly. Reconsider. Abundance. And it's a big yes. Somebody has reconsidered their option. They're coming to communicate with you, and this time it's going to be a communication that is clear as crystal, and there'll be nothing but love and clarity that comes your way now. It's a big yes, and you don't need to worry, Taurus. A big yes for you. And probably this yes is going to be from your side because somewhere deep down even you miss them. What do you need to release? Your hard work is paying off. Adjustments are required. Look at the bigger picture. A personal issue reaches its resolution. For some of you, your commitment is being tested. The signs present here, I already mentioned. Apart from those, Capricorn and Sagittarius are also here. One last message for my Taurians, and then we wrap this reading up. Wow, look at this card. Look at the moon. It's so pretty. When I lean towards love, I am led. Yes, Taurus, love is your answer. Love is your beginning. Go ahead, Taurus. If it is something that you really want, and if something that you've been waiting for finally comes your way, don't ignore it. Give it a chance, I feel. I hope this reading made sense, Taurus. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.